Let's talk about how to sell value versus price. When I first started as an entrepreneur, my first ever client was a restaurant where I went in and I pitched them menu rewriting services. And I charged $50 for it. I was so hyped that when I closed them, that I put the check on the wall here, not at this wall, but my townhouse back in Florida years ago. Put it right there and never even cashed it. And that was closing a deal based purely on price. Now, fast forward to 7, 8 years later, however long it was, and we've got a 7-figure marketing agency where our pricing is so much higher. So instead of charging $50 for something, now we're charging $50,000 or $60,000 or even $120,000 a year for marketing services. Rolling up my sleeves for this one. How many times can I use the same joke? That's the real question. So what's the difference? Why did one business owner give me $50 and another business owner give us $50,000? They're both marketing tasks. One was copywriting, the other was lead generation, and they're both business owners. So why did one give me 50 and one give me 50,000? The answer was, one, it was a different type of business, but two, I spoke in value, the value that I could offer, and I didn't compete on price. I'll give you a good example here. Why do people go to Walmart versus Target? You're not going to Walmart because they have the highest quality goods, although their goods are getting higher and higher by the day. Walmart 2020 calls expiring in January. I'll pitch that to you right now. Walmart has the lowest price. The only reason you'd go to Walmart is because you want cheap goods. You go to Target because you want to pay a little more for a little more value. I actually bought this shirt at Walmart and it's decent. There are two ways that you can really compete in business. This is what I was taught in business school. There's the value one, so you're like the best, the highest quality, and then price doesn't really matter. Or you're the price one, the lowest quality, and pricing is all that matters. So you go in, you pitch a website for $200, that's pricing. You're like, you're never gonna find a lower priced website than what I'm gonna offer. Or you pitch based on value. Yes, this website's $50,000. And we've shown time and time again with our clients that our websites generate more leads. So what we're estimating here is this new website is going to make you $2 million. So $50,000 to make $2 million. Does that sound good? That's value versus pricing. That's the difference between a $200 website and a $50,000 website. It's just the framing in the way that you speak. If Walmart's tanked by the time this video comes out, I'm gonna seem like a real jerk. So how do you implement value versus price? How do you start selling on value and less on price? Let's talk about it. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. First thing you want to do is understand the value you can provide. If you're building websites, the value that you provide is not a website. The value you can provide is leads or branding or some kind of increased revenue thing. If you can tie your thing that you're building to more revenue, you'll instantly make more money. If you're in logo design, then maybe you're making logos that'll make a business appear more corporate, so then they can get more clients or they'll get more revenue. If you're doing app development, you're gonna redesign their app or design an app that is more business focused. You're designing an app that's going to boost their revenue. And just keep talking about that. If you're selling marketing, you're not doing 10 social media posts a month. You are creating social media posts for the express purpose of either generating leads or getting more clients. That's how you stop charging 20 and you start charging 20,000. So understand clearly the value you can provide. It almost always comes down to this question. How does what I'm doing help my customer make more money? If you think about that and you answer that, then you'll be able to charge more. And it's the same. If you're going out there and you're painting murals in people's offices, maybe the murals are helping them impress their clients more so they can get more lead flow that way. Or if you're doing it for public companies, maybe it's to boost investor confidence. You do interior design for the offices in a way that makes it seem like they're gonna be around forever, and it boosts investor confidence, and then the stock prices go up, right? Get super honed in. You can do it for any B2B service. So understand what that is for your business. What value are you actually providing in terms of money generated after they hire you? Then step 2 is find an audience that gets the most value from what you offer. So if you want to sell websites, find a business that would make the most money from buying websites. A lot of people go towards e-commerce or other website first businesses, because then you can legitimately say, oh, you're making $1 million a year from this website? Well, let's boost the conversion rate by double with a new site and you could be making 2 million. Versus a local cupcake shop that's getting all their leads and people coming in the door from Yelp or by walk-bys. They're not gonna really care too much about their website. And so the pricing is gonna be lower. So sell your thing to the people that not just need it the most, sell your thing to the people that get the most value from what you're offering. And we do this specifically by talking to the Golden Geese companies. Golden Geese are companies between $5 million and $150 million in revenue. And typically we find them by cold email. So we go out, make a list of the companies we want to work with, send them personalized emails, and get them interested in our service that way. That's actually what we talk about in detail in Email 10K. Check out the free presentation below. So you now fully understand the value you provide them, and you found an audience that gets the most value from your service. Then step 3 is to showcase that value to them. Talk in case studies, show the results you've had in the past. Talk about your business in the value-based mode that we talked about in the beginning. Instead of building a website that looks good, build a website that generates more leads. Instead of designing a logo that looks good, design a logo that generates more leads, that makes them more money. Memorize this phrase. I will help you make more money by X. I will help you make more money by designing a logo that helps you appear more enterprise. I will help you make more money by designing a website that has double the conversion rate of your current website. I will help you make more money by generating 10 qualified meetings per month. Phrase it that way and your sales will start shooting through the roof all the way past the moon and to Mars. Your sales are going to Mars. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. So you don't have a business idea, huh? Do you want to know what the best business to start is, regardless of market conditions? Check out the free presentation at email10k.com. We have over 200 students that are crushing it using this business strategy, even during this time. So check that out, email10k.com. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to smash that like button. YouTube loves it when you just give a little tap to the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this. We do content like this 3 times a week. Check out Email 10K if you want to grow your business. And I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.